Majumdar. I am pursuing BTech from Brenner Group of Institution. Last year I know about Webskitters Academy from my one friend, and then I get admission here. I have done MERN Stack from Webskitters Academy under the guidance of Raju sir. He is one of the best teacher. He helped us in various way, and he always try to clear our doubts and problems when we faced it. I learned about lots of things from here. Not only the teachers but also the faculties and managements, both are very helpful and supportive. Thank you all teachers and Webskitters Academy.